Effective maintenance cycles ensure seamless availability of applications and workstations. In order to avoid breakages and downtimes, along with the increased service desk load and loss of business productivity, timely application maintenance is crucial. However, some organizations shell out big bucks on maintenance and are still plagued by application downtime. With standardized maintenance practices, you fail to tailor support activities to your organization's unique application usage and risk early breakages. A better option is to analyze past incidents due to application downtime and evaluate crucial insights on the exact moments when your organization would better benefit from maintenance activities. By leveraging this insightful analysis, IT managers can discern sudden spikes in help desk incidents due to application breakages approximately every 5 months. This indicates that your IT department would benefit from running regular maintenance on 5-month cycles. Migrating from a fixed schedule to a tailored AI-based predictive maintenance strategy facilitates easy detection of anomalies, prevents equipment failure, and ensures seamless business operations. This analysis was built using Analytics Plus, ManageEngine's IT analytics solution. Analytics Plus features a powerful AI-driven analytics assistant, which enables organizations to make faster data-driven decisions by facilitating self-service. Beyond offering comprehensive analytical capabilities, Analytics Plus also provides pre-built analytics for a wide range of IT applications. To kickstart your analytics journey, check the video description for the link to your free 30-day trial of Analytics Plus. This was IT Analytics in 90 seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive alerts for future videos.